Hi! At ReasonLabs, we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to use websites management on the online security extension for Chrome and Edge browsers. As you can see, the online security extension is installed on your browser, ensuring that your web browsing experience stays secure by actively detecting threats and monitoring your information for data leaks. Clicking on the extension icon will open the main screen of the online security extension. By the way, we recommend you to pin it so you can see your status at any time. To do it, just click on the pin icon. To use Websites Management on your online security extension, select Websites Management on the menu bar on the left side of the page. Online security scans all URLs and block any suspicious activity. Here on this page, you can find the blocked websites. You can choose to select one or more of the blocked websites and either keep blocking them by clicking on Restrict, or if you trust a blocked website, you can allow them to be shown and not be blocked. If you have any issues during this process, please contact our support agents by clicking on the support widget, and they will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and stay cyber safe.